Hey there cyclists, check out the LEMEGO Bike Top Tube Bag, a waterproof and durable accessory designed for easy access while riding. Measuring 7.87 by 3.54 by 2.17 inches, it features a mesh compartment and TPU zipper for quick opening and closing. With 3 stable straps and anti-scratch pads, it securely attaches without damaging your bike's frame. Weighing only 110 grams and just over 2 inches thick, its aerodynamic, ultra-slim design prevents knee rubbing during your ride. This bag fits most mountain, road, and triathlon bikes and proudly displays an American flag print on both sides. Installation is simple with 3 straps that can be trimmed to fit perfectly. If you have any questions, customer support is ready to help you anytime. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.